Are we going? We're ready? I know, I'm just messing around. Okay, hey guys, Mr. Morales, obviously. Mr. Heron's gladly doing the filming for me. Appreciate that, sir. Science project. I know, you love to see it, right? But let me tell you what we're gonna do. So our project is obviously about weather and climate, because that's what we've been talking about the last couple of weeks. So what you're going to need is you will need pencil, you will need some type of coloring utensils, whether that's crayons, markers, or colored pencils. And then you will need either a full poster board or a half a poster board. And this one here that I have is a half of a poster board. So what we are going to do is on side number 1, you will draw the United States. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is not an art competition, but we need to get the United States down here, and let me explain why. So, in 3 different areas of the United States, it can be anywhere here, right? You will write down or draw 3 different types of weather or severe weather events or weather patterns, whether that's high pressure, low pressure, maybe it's a hurricane, tornadoes, thunderstorms, heat waves, different things like that, okay? And the only stipulation is that it has to be something that could actually happen in that part of the United States. So if we're in the Nebraska and Kansas area, you cannot have a hurricane in the middle of Kansas. I am sorry, okay? It does not exist. But if you wanted to do a tornado in the middle of Kansas, that would be fantastic because those actually happen, right? Yeah, because Toto, we're not in Kansas anymore, okay? Hopefully you get that reference. So that's on this side. So now let's flip to side B. Or side 2, I think I called it side 1. All right, so side number 2 is Texas. And Texas looks a little better because I drew over it with pen, and I was not going to do that with the United States because that was a lot of work. Okay. What you're going to do for Texas is you will pick 3 cities, okay? 3. They can be any 3 cities in Texas. And geographically, you will put them in their correct locations. So we are in Fort Worth, right? White settlement, right? You cannot put us way down here because that's not where we are. Okay, we need to go in the correct area, okay? And so do the other cities that you choose. But again, it's not an art competition. I just want you to do your best, okay? Now, what are we gonna do with those 3 cities? The first thing we're gonna do is you're going to map the weather for whatever day it is, okay? So that includes temperature, wind speed. You can do things like pressure and humidity if you want to, but kind of make it your own, okay? And then one of the 3 cities, you will actually do a 5-day forecast. And what I mean by that is you will show what the projected or the possible temperature, what they think will be the temperature for 5 days in a row. And whether it will be sunny or cloudy or windy or rainy or, hey, snow maybe in March, April, who knows? Okay. Maybe not. All right. But one city, 5-day forecast, okay? And all of these instructions will be typed out for you. But that's your project. It is due next Thursday, April 1st. Okay, so that gives you a little bit over a week. Yeah, I think we can get it done. All right. You guys have a good day, and as always, high five.